All right, third graders, last instructional video for this week. Hope you guys have been having some good luck with your homework and your practice problems in your book. So this is more mixed numbers. This is lesson 130 on page 259 in your book. These are similar to the first lesson that we did where we talked about division with fraction remainders. You guys remember when we do problems like this, 1/5 of 33, you remember that we are simply dividing 33 by 5, okay? You remember those problems that were nice and easy because the division was even, it divided equally, and you didn't have a remainder. However, we know that there's nothing times 5 that equals 33 exactly. We can get close. 5 times 6 we know is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. That's too big. So I know that I'm going to have somewhere close to 6, but what do I do if it doesn't divide equally? So that's where this comes in. It's the same lesson that we did in class, or on our video, excuse me, on Monday, Tuesday, where we have division with a fractional remainder. We know that 3 is too small for 5, so we're going to look at the whole 33 and do short division is what we call it. 5 goes into 33. I just told you 6 times. 5 times 6 is 30. 33 minus 30 gives me a remainder of 3. 3 is smaller than 5, so I'm in the right place, and there's nothing left to bring down. I'm finished. Like we talked about Monday, Tuesday's lesson, we're going to write 3 as the numerator, and 5 is what we started dividing with as our denominator, and so 6 3/5 is our remainder, or our answer. The short way of doing this is knowing that 5 times 6 is 30 with 3 left over, so 6 with our 3 left over our 5 that we started with. So you can work it out long way this way if you want, or you can do in your head what I just told you. I'm going to work 1A and 1B and 1C really quickly here so that you can see a few more problems and get your feel for them. So this is number 1A on your paper. It is 1/2 of 13, and it gives you plenty of space underneath to do this division portion. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Again, the way we do these is we divide 13 by 2. So I'm going to write that division problem here. 2 goes into, can't go into 1, so short division, looking at the whole number. 2 goes into 13 6 times. 2 times 6 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. Nothing left to bring down. 1 is definitely smaller than 2, so I'm on the right track. I'm going to put 1 as my numerator, and the number I start with my denominator, so this answer is 6 1/2. I'll erase back here. This is 1B. 1/3 of 22. Again, 22 divided by 3 is how we figure this problem out. 3 can't go into 2, so I look at the whole number. Short division again. 3 times what is close to 22 without going over? I know 7, because 3 times 8 is 24. That's too big. 3 times 7 is 21. 22 minus 21 is 1. I have nothing left to bring down, and 1 is smaller than 3, so I'm on the right track. Now, I'm going to put my remainder as my numerator, and the number I divided by as my denominator. 7 1/3 is my answer. Last example of the day. This one is 1/5 of 41. Again, 41 divided by 5. I know that 4 is too small, so I'm going to look at the whole 41, do short division. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45, too big, so I'm staying at 5 times 8. That's 40, close enough. 41 minus 40 is 1. I have nothing left to bring down, and 1 is definitely smaller than 5, so I'm okay. So I'm going to put my remainder as my numerator, and the number I divided by as my denominator. So this is 8 and 1/5. Hope things are going well for you. You guys are going to continue to complete the rest of this page. And then you're also going to do the review problems on page 260. And then you have quiz 13 that is already uploaded on the website. Good luck.